Hello, in this recording I want to go through the first of the exercises which have been assigned for Module 3, which is using Groovy and applying the cookbook scripts. So let's start by getting the cookbook script that we want. Just as a reminder, here is the exercise. And we want the renaming the sample script. So I've gone into the cookbook, I'll pull up a list of the recipes, and it's actually one of the first ones here, renaming a sample. So when you do this yourself, take some time to go through the page in its entirety and make sure you understand and process the information. I'm going to go straight to the script and I'm going to save this in a folder. And if you haven't done already, now is a good time to go and get the API utilities that this script relies upon. So this is under the menu here, under the using the utility class, and you'll find this at the bottom of the page, and put this in the same location as the script. Okay, so we've got the scripts, we need to edit them. But before we do that, let's actually jump to the LIMS, and I'm logged into the operations client here. And since we're going to rename a sample, I actually need to dig out a sample that I'm going to rename. So let's just open up any old project. Let's take this first sample here, make a note of its current name, and a handy trick here will be to right click and copy its LIMS ID to the clipboard. Now let's go and edit that file. So we can do that in a text editor. And you will probably need to edit the username and password so it uses the correct credentials for your system, as well as updating the URI. And as well, we want to take this section here, basically everything after samples and the slash, and we'll hit paste. And we'll put in the LIMS ID that we just got from the LIMS. So we'll save that, drop to a command line interface, and type Groovy, and call the script. And it's given back some XML, which is the XML of the updated sample. So if we look here, we'll see that its name has been changed to :1 changed, and we can verify that by going back into the LIMS, and we'll see that actually indeed that sample's name has changed to :1 changed. So as I said, go through the script, go through the page that describes that script, and make sure you understand that before you start the next exercise.